The 1957 Ford Thunderbird is an American automotive icon, a perfect blend of luxury, style, and performance. Unlike a traditional sports car, it was designed as a personal luxury vehicle, offering power with an emphasis on comfort. Ford introduced the Thunderbird in 1955, but the 1957 model stands out as one of the most desirable classic cars ever produced. With its sleek, aerodynamic body and low stance, the Thunderbird commands attention. The front features a bold chrome grille flanked by round headlamps, giving it a confident and sophisticated look. One of its most recognizable design elements is the optional porthole hardtop, which not only adds character but also improves visibility. The elongated rear fenders, subtle tail fins, and sculpted rear bumper create a streamlined and elegant silhouette. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, the Thunderbird allowed owners to showcase their personality and style. Inside, the Thunderbird exudes luxury and refinement. The cockpit-inspired dashboard is detailed with chrome accents and a wraparound instrument panel, creating a sophisticated yet sporty atmosphere. The deep-set steering wheel and classic analog gauges provide a timeless feel, while leather bucket seats offer comfort for long drives. Every detail, from the door panels to the center console, reflects Ford's dedication to premium craftsmanship. Beneath the hood, the 1957 Thunderbird is powered by a 312 cubic-inch V8 engine, producing up to 245 horsepower in its standard configuration. For those seeking even more performance, an optional version pushed output to 300 horsepower. Paired with either a 3-speed manual or an automatic transmission, the Thunderbird delivers a smooth yet powerful driving experience. Its improved suspension system ensures better handling and ride comfort, making it an excellent highway cruiser. With a top speed of around 120 mph and a 0-60 time in under 10 seconds, the Thunderbird is more than just a beautiful machine. It's a performer as well. When it first hit the market, the 1957 Thunderbird had a starting price of around $3,500, positioning it as an attainable luxury vehicle. Today, its value has skyrocketed, with well-maintained models selling for anywhere between $40,000 and $100,000 or more, depending on originality and condition. Collectors and enthusiasts alike continue to seek out this classic due to its historical significance and timeless appeal. What made the Thunderbird truly special was its ability to balance sportiness with luxury. While the Corvette focused solely on performance, the Thunderbird was designed for those who wanted power without sacrificing comfort. It became a symbol of sophistication, a statement car that exuded class and charm. Decades later, the 1957 Ford Thunderbird remains one of the most celebrated and collectible classic cars in history. Whether admired at car shows, preserved in private collections, or taken out for a Sunday drive, its timeless beauty and legendary status endure. This is not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history, forever capturing the spirit of an era defined by elegance, power, and style.